Ace comedian BasketMouth has let out his mind on the alleged beef between himself and fellow comedian Ayo Makun, popularly known as AY. BasketMouth, who was featured as a guest on media personality Nedu's podcast Honest Bunch, opened up on why his beef with AY Makun lasted this long. It can be recalled that AY had weeks ago shared his side of the story and what caused the 17-year-old beef between him and his colleague. According to him, it was a case of a business transaction gone wrong, and he took a wrong decision in his bid to get his money from BasketMouth. The filmmaker claimed that after the 2006 incident, he attempted to attend BasketMouth's wedding but wasn't allowed into the venue. According to AY, when they arrived, his wife's name was on the guest list, but his own was noticeably missing. But the comedian denied ever inviting either AY or his wife, stating that AY was either misinterpreting the facts or he was just being forgetful. Nollywood actor and comedian John Okafor, popularly known as Mr. Ibu, has recounted the terrible illness that kept him out of the screen for about 3 years. It can be recalled that in 2019, Mr. Ibu alleged that his kinsmen paid some of his domestic workers to poison him because of his successful career. In May 2022, the comedian again came out to report a third attempt at his life through poison. Speaking in a recent interview with the Newsman, Ibu disclosed that he was already attempting to cross Rubicon, but God brought him back to life. Is BasketMouth right for snubbing AY this long?